From the pink city of India, Jaipur, emerged RMC Gems, one of the world's largest color gemstone manufacturing company. It employs over 1,000 artisans who are skilled in cutting and polishing gemstones with both manual and automatic process. Let's delve into the transformation journey of rough to polished gemstones with RMC Gems. Rough Assortment, Stone Cutting, Preforming, Faceting and Polishing. The results are beautifully cut and polished color gemstones. RMC Gems is a certified member of RJC and has other ISO certification for quality, health and safety and environment management systems. I hope this factory tour has given you a deeper understanding of what goes into creating these sparkling gemstones that RMC Gems is known for.